Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have an Oppo Find X5 Pro. It has been stabbed on the corner. It's not really a stab wound. It's a broken display. So as you can see there's a concentrated portion where the display has been shattered. So most likely it was dropped and fell on a blunt object, or something blunt was dropped on the display. Nevertheless, we're gonna be performing a screen replacement on this X5 Pro by removing the back cover. We can access the connectors for the display and the other components, but this is gonna be an easier one. We'll show you how easy it is. So unlike the iPhones or Google Pixels, you don't really have a direct access to the display. You will have to go through the back door. This back cover is still factory adhesive, so it's quite strong. We need alcohol. That's what we inject there. It's not anything special. Alcohol evaporates fast, so we can soften the adhesive and pry off the back cover without damaging the glass. So you can see the components underneath the back cover. You can see the camera, wireless charging module, and we will focus our attention on the bottom part of this smartphone because this is where we can find the display connector. So we remove this daughter board cover. So this is the connector for the display right on the corner, and then we can access it and attach the connector from our replacement display unit. This way we can test if the replacement display unit is even functional, or the board will accept a replacement unit like this one. And oftentimes we can detect any problems with the replacement display and we replace it with a working one. And as you can see here, we have the Oppo logo and it's booting up. There you go. It will not show you any personal information there. It's working. No dead pixels. Let's try to type something. Touchscreen is working. Let's check the cameras. DVD is there. Yeah, this seems okay. We'll have to shut this phone down now. So there's no other issues with this smartphone. It's basically a brand new phone that has been damaged within a year or so. Not really sure, but by the looks of it, it's really almost brand new. So here we have to remove the display, although at the middle David wasn't able to resume the recording. So you just have to imagine the removal process just like what we did with the back cover, and then we pull out the display including the connector that is routed to the corner right there. So now it's free. We remove this orange rubber grommet and we removed it. So yeah, we lost the recording. Here we have the front part. We're now facing the front part of the smartphone without the display. So this is underneath the display itself. So we are going to put our liquid adhesive to install the replacement display that we just tested. So if there's any waterproofing rating on the smartphone, this adhesive is not going to be providing the exact rating, so it's just going to be enough so we can install the glass seamlessly. And there you go, the glass is installed. We just have to put pressure onto it while the glue is curing. While we are waiting for that to happen, we are going to bring back the pieces that we removed, the rubber grommet, the daughter board. We are going to attach all the connectors. Make sure we don't forget anything, we don't crimp anything. There you go. This is the connector for the display. Make sure this is correctly installed. We don't have to go back and open this smartphone again because it's gonna take a lot of work. Sydney CBD Repair Centre with our expert service technician David here. We do it quickly, efficiently, and with a great positive result every time. So if you have any questions on our services, if you need any help fixing your Oppo Find X5 Pro, or if you have other brands of smartphones, we can help you out. You can also visit your local service technician, service centers. If you're within warranty, you can even visit the dealer. If it's an Oppo, the Oppo dealership. But if you're out of warranty, just want a quick fix on your smartphone screen, we are here to help. If you're around Sydney, if you're visiting for Vivid Sydney, we can also open the shop for you. We'll do the final testing now. There you go. Positive results every single time. That's a Sydney CBD guarantee. Another application of our liquid adhesive to reinstall the back cover. Again, no waterproofing, but it's a good way to install the display or the back cover or other components that needs adhesive treatment. This is the factory adhesive strips. We're going to reuse that one. I'm just going to retain that. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We are done. So like and subscribe, guys, if this inspired you to fix your own stuff. Definitely follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and follow us here on YouTube. There you go. Oppo Find X5 Pro fixed. Before and after shot. So thanks for joining, guys. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.